Annual Program Part 10. Exercise Session for Competitive Season Microcycle. During the competitive season, there are two main focuses, maintenance and peaking, that each result in load and intensity differences. For maintenance, the goal is to maintain or improve power, strength, flexibility, and anaerobic conditioning. Resistance training, alternated with plyometrics, should be 1 to 3 times a week, about 30 minutes a day. These include squat to single arm dumbbell overhead press, bilateral lunge with bar rotations, resistance band lateral and overhead presses, etc. Anything that is beneficial and useful for being a competitive tennis player. Most of my athletes' time will be spent on specialized strategy development, such as match play scenarios and drills. This includes performing moderate to high intensity, 85 to 93%, and moderate volumes, 2 to 5 sets, 3 to 6 repetitions. During peaking, my athlete will focus on very low to very high intensities, about 50% to over 93%, and low volumes, 1 to 3 sets, 1 to 3 repetitions. The same types of exercises and drills can be worked on at the right intensity and volume to be used for peaking.